Go on.
Yeah, man, what you filming?
Oh, Jamaica Walkway.
You're Jamaica Walkway?
That is it.
Yes, sir.
Figure that now, man.
Talk to me now.
Big up and respect,
so
man.
all the time, Jamaica Walkway.
That is it. My
Yes,
people then say
sir.
they want to see
Come
Fern
talk to
Gully,
me.
so me I show them what I go on, you know?
Yeah, so you're
Yeah.
walking all the way down?
Blessed love. Yeah, man, I walk from the top and I go straight to the end.
We watch you from Canada.
From Canada, big up all
Yes,
Canada
so
massive,
that's
man.
right.
Big up
Yes,
on yourself,
sir.
man. One love. Yeah, your family?
Yes, sir.
Touch it now, me G.
Yes,
I say that came out in a Jamaican style.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, you can't do a yard and I look like yard, man.
Where's the GoPro go?
Oh, yeah, record it. Wait, hold on. It look good now, man. You don't see me? Alright, man. What Jamaica
I've
walk,
worked in
man?
television for 30 years, so that's why I watch you and I say
Big up
I'm
and
always
respect,
recording
man.
stuff and saying because I love watching
what you carry them.
what you do.
Oh, you can. Come round, my teacher. Come round. Yeah.
I saw you with the gimbal. I said to myself, "Oh my gosh, this must be so real."
Yeah, man, you walk the whole thing.
I'm here for a month.
Me give you my digits up. They are down in I watch you side there too. And things so. Me do it real quick.
I'm in D-Bay and you did something.
DB
with
there?
Yeah.
I don't let me there now.
Yes.
Yeah, let me do it quick.
Yes. I don't want to stop you from doing that. So when you come away, I talk to you some more.
Alright. Hold on. Change it to 6-6. 6-6.
Yeah, hit send,
That is it.
and then you can bring you. I don't know, but either way, just as long as it goes through, I have it, then it goes through.
I mean that, man, me sure.
Yeah, man.
Hear that? Alright. Blessed love and respect. We are doing Fern Gully. Me are down in our watch time. I'll call you when time I reach down. Alright, blessed. Big up all of my supporters them, you know what I mean? Jamaica walk by. And we're currently walking the Fern Gully. What a trip.
Hey, I watch your pan freaking man, you.
Oh, Jamaica walk by. Big up my boss. How far you go? Alright then, big up yourself. Safe trad. Cool. Alright, my boss. Big up my teacher. Blessed love. It's a great vibe. Let's go. Blessed respect, man. Jamaica walk by, you know? Yeah. Trying to do an episode on Fern Gully. Trying to let the people them see that exactly what is going on with Fern Gully. So it's good to see you guys out doing it, you know? Yeah, good decorations and thing, man. Blessed love, hear that? Cool, no, man. Yeah, fire. Oh, bead and them thing that you do. Good to see someone actually out back. So we'll see if we can generate some people to drive back through here, you know? Blessings and love. Cool. So many persons say traffic is not flowing through Fern Gully as it used to. So we're trying to see how busy it is, but so far it has been pretty much busy as I can see. So let's go. We are trying to see how scary, dangerous, beautiful, and how long it will take to walk Fern Gully. Let's go. It is not a narrating video, just a natural ambience walk. We're back to the roots. I'm hearing sounds that I've never heard before in these bushes. This is pretty much like a jungle. To be honest with you, most of these things are not where people are populated. Based on the sounds that I'm hearing, I'm not really familiar with most of these sounds. So for me, I am kind of wondering what else is out there that we don't really know. Welcome to everybody who has joined the video. Please continue watching. Respect, bless up, see? Yes, Godfather, blessed. Good to see you out, man. Trying to see if we can do an episode on Fern Gully. You know what I mean? I hope that some persons can see you here and see that this is your spot, you know, and then can come and support you, you know? Blessings and love, see? Good thing you're going with. Long time. That is it, man. No joke, no doubt. Respect.
Blessing.
I would love to see persons start to travel under here and supporting the locals. Stop by, give them a sale. It's good to see that person is still actually selling at Fern Gully, because I know that I've passed through here a few times and there wasn't anybody at all selling. So it's good to see that persons are actually out again. Fern Gully. See, I'm not sure what is there. Scenic Avenue. I think that's what is there. something up there, but I don't know. There's definitely something up there. Curiosity, I tell me if you just go up there. Definitely something going on up here. This is stairs. There is. Wow. I don't know this way. I don't know. Hear people, but at a place like this, I have no idea what's going on up there, bro. So I don't wanna run into the wrong people, especially a lonely place like this where you could have shout till a week or nothing. Nobody now go hear you. You understand? Just make my way back down. My mind say, oh, not gonna further like that. I've never seen anything with that place or nothing. I've never seen a vehicle stop or nothing else, so definitely you would have to be coming right here so if you know exactly what is up there. Even though there's a sign about Eco Village and stuff like that. I don't know, man. Going back on the way. massive building up there. Really have to know what you're doing to walk here. Greetings, greetings. So good to see that business actually are going to run at Fern Gully. You know what I mean? I'm Jamaica walk by, you know? So let's do an episode on Fern Gully, like to show people exactly what it looks like. I mean, what we can generate some persons or more persons to pass through here, so they can get and shop here, so too, because to be honest, the last time I passed here, so there wasn't anything at all. You understand? So it's really good to see on the outback, and it is beautiful. You know what I mean? Blessings and love, Zane. One love, man. Yeah, so you can check out the channel too. It's Jamaica Walk By. Yeah. Blessed. Yes, Godfather, respect, see? That is it, man. This is beautiful. It's so good to see these businesses out again in them number. I wanna know some of them famous spot here. Like blessed. You reach back. That is it. Yeah, so there's business up and running fully again. You know what I mean? Yeah. No joke. So good to see that business is actually out again and a flourish, you know what I mean? Beautiful. Jaja. It's crazy. Heart. Good evening, my church sister them. One love here. Yeah. Yeah, man. Good to see you out again. Yeah, man. Good to see them business are out again, you know. So this is me walking Fern Gully. I actually walked the entire thing. Just decided to, you know, show the massive what Fern Gully is really like. It's good to see that the vendors are out back again. In past times there wasn't any vendors here again, you know what I mean? So it's good to see them out in them numbers doing them thing again, you see? No joke. So we're walking. Bless up to everybody who is actually watching the video. You know what I mean? Super appreciate it. Manners and respect. I'm just here showing the natural vibe, the natural culture, the natural ambiances in Jamaica. You see me? As we do it like this. Man. So Fern Gully. Very historical place too as well. The scenery is beautiful, but I can definitely say it is not that safe to walk because there is little or no sidewalk for persons to really walk this place. So you have to be very vigilant and very careful in doing this. But I can implore on persons out there. It is beautiful to walk it. Just don't walk on the side where cars are coming from behind you, like what I'm doing now, because never cross the road. It is best to walk on the side facing the traffic. So if you're walking from Ocho side to enter the Fern Gully, yeah, it's best you walk on the right. And if you're heading to Ocho, like what I'm doing now, you walk over here, you know what I mean? So it is just like that. No sidewalk at all, so it is pretty much dangerous for persons to walk. But it is beautiful if you take photos, videos, and just to enjoy something like this with you and your friends or your family, and just hold a different type of vibe, you know what I mean? Yeah, if you want to be off the social media for a bit, get some fresh air, you can. Get some artifacts and things, yeah, you definitely should. Yes, sir, I didn't see you there. Good evening. That is it, man. I love your artwork. You're a whole heap of dog to you, full of security, man. Big up yourself. Yeah. So, most definitely. So, the businesses are out when it comes on to these carvings and things. So, pass through and support the locals. Then I tell us that these are some really interesting things. You don't mind me get a little close up on some of this stuff? Oh, alright then, Fanaso, no problem, man. Take it easy. I'm just trying to get you some customer, you know? Alright, bless up. I understand what he's saying. He's saying that he doesn't want to give away the ideas them so easy. I can't fight him on that. So nothing is wrong with that. But we still have to try implore on them to, you know what I mean? The ideas is one, but is to make it is another. So you having the ideas and make them, for persons to really duplicate or copy it is gonna be hard. That's the hard part. You see me I say? But if he doesn't want to show them, well, that's fine. No problem with that. We just move along. He still seems like a very pleasant young man. You hear me I say young man, he's an elderly guy still. You know what I mean? But it's what it is. This looks like it used to be a restaurant of some sort. Still decent. The estate shop at Fern Gully. Doesn't seem like it's in operation any at all, but nice ambience here where I can tell some beautiful photos can take here. Videos as well too. You can see even this part here. So this is just giving you some ideas as to where you can come and take some lovely photos, maybe for your birthday, a special day, a video shoot, photo shoot. Fern Gully is definitely one of them spots there where you'll be amazed at some beautiful work that can be done. So I'm actually fully outside of Fern Gully right now, you know what I mean? Definitely the full video on YouTube is actually a pretty much good description of what Fern Gully, the entire thing, because I walked the entire thing and it's just crazy. So it's well over an hour or something like that. It take me maybe an hour and 20 minutes. I'm not sure how long the video is, but yeah. So definitely Jamaica walk by. These are the things that we do. We show the natural vibe, natural ambiances of Jamaica. We walk miles and miles, sometimes for hours and hours in the sun. So if you're new here and you don't know what Jamaica Walk By is all about, this is what we do. We just do walking videos, towns, communities, cities, people sending the requests, and once I can do it, I will do it. And walk it decently. So it's subtle and just showing exactly what is it. All natural too, raw. What you see is what you get. So I don't really cut the videos either. So welcome to Jamaica Walk By. So yeah, as you can see also, a little bit of rain is drawing, but I still walk in the rain too. So if I'm actually doing a video and rain come down, me not the rain same speed. You know what I mean? So it is what it is. So it's what goes. So we don't sell lies here on Jamaica Walk By, to tell you the truth. You understand? Yeah, man. Wherever you're watching from across the world, definitely the beautiful videos there on YouTube, trust me, beautiful. As you can see, we're shooting 4K, so we give you a really nice description of what is going on, and I show everything. So to all the new people them, yeah, we show everything on Jamaica Walk By. If it is beautiful, it's beautiful. If it's dirty, dirty. If it's clean, it's clean. You know what I mean? That's how we show it. This is just Jamaica on a whole. If the place is dangerous, I'm gonna say it's dangerous. If I say, yo, don't walk there after 7, just believe in the chop, you know what I mean? So Sometimes persons are saying if I go some areas, go out there because them haven't seen it for a long time. Them run it from 1982 and them never went back there. But they're asking me to go back there. So I guess me make out an iron suit. I'm not sure. But if them live there for how many years and then them leave and never to go back, but they're asking me to go there, I don't understand. So for those persons who want to send in those requests, I can't help you. Because if you born and grow there and you can't go there, don't ask me to go there for you. I can't show you what it look like as a man who never been there before. You understand? So no disrespect to none of them people there, but I hope you understand respectfully. Yeah. So big up and respect to all. I'm pretty much going to stop the video here. So as I say, check out my YouTube channel. The rest of videos are on there. Lovely videos of Jamaica, just beautiful. So definitely something that you can sit in your living room and watch with your family, with your friends. Is it? No joke, no doubt. That is it. Blessings and love. Big up to everybody who actually watched the video and think super appreciated in always all aspects. See me I say, yeah man, look there. Come like them side there, whole like parrot them there. Jaja, big up.